Trees are the longest living organism on the planet and one of the Earth's greatest natural resources. They keep our air supply clean, reduce noise pollution, improve water quality, help prevent erosion, provide food and building materials, create shade, and help make our landscape look beautiful. In today's episode, we are going to roll up some fun facts about trees. So let's start. Trees are the longest living organism on the earth and never die of old age. California holds the record for the oldest living trees. Some of the state's Bristlecone pines and giant squares are 4,000 to 5,000 years old. Methuselah, an estimated 4,852 years old ancient Bristlecone pine, is one of the oldest living trees in the world. Tree rings can predict climate change. Dating a tree by studying its rings is called dendrochronology. However, a tree's rings don't only reveal its age, they can also indicate the occurrence of natural disasters such as a volcanic eruption or a dark event. In these years of good growth characterized by a healthy supply of resources, the ring is thick. It is thin when resources are scarce in the ecosystem. Planting trees can help reduce your energy costs. Strategically, planting trees or several can help you up to 25% on your energy bills. A shade tree can help cool off home by as much as 20 degrees in the summertime. Not only do they provide shade in the summer, but serve as a windbreak in the winter too. Some trees have been to the moon. Moon trees were grown from seeds taken from moon during the Apollo 14 mission in early 1971. NASA and the US Forest Service wanted to see if the moon orbit causes the seeds to grow differently back on Earth. These trees were donated to State Forest Service in 1975 and 1976. Trees are able to communicate and defend themselves against attacking an insect. Scientists have found that trees can flood their leaves and chemicals called phenolics when the insects begins their raid. They can also signal danger to other trees so they can start their own defense. Willow trees, for example, emit certain chemicals when they are attacked by webworms. Other willows can produce more tannin, make their leaves harder for the pests to digest. So viewer, what about our today's episode? Please leave your valuable comment in our comment section. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Till then, good luck and bye-bye.